getting closer to the final steps. So let's take care of the footer of our website. What we need to do here is we need to center the text, we need to increase the font size. Alright, so let's get back to Style CSS. We have our footer and H2, and we already defined font size for H2, which is 30 pixels. But in our project, it has 50. So instead of creating another class, we can just provide the selector, which consists of footer and H2. So our browser will try to find H2 within the footer tag. And only here it will apply 50 pixel font size. And we also need to center the text. Actually, we're going to center the text on the whole footer because the paragraph is centered as well. So it's text align center. Okay, let's refresh the page. So I'm almost pleased with it. The thing that I would like to apply are some margins on the top and on the bottom. So I'm applying margin, top and bottom, 50 pixels. Actually, a bit more. Let's add 100. Okay, so now it's much more better. And also I would like to add some space between heading and the paragraph. So let's add margin top for the H2 that it's in footer, 50 pixels. Oh, it's not margin top, but margin bottom. Sorry for this. Yeah, it's pretty small, so what about 100? Yeah, now it looks much more better. Okay, so our footer is ready. The thing that I would like to work on a little bit is the alignment of the fig caption and the text in the second project. If we open the PNG file, you will see that the text is aligned here to the right side. And this one, fig caption, this fig caption is applied, and this fig caption has the same alignment. This has right alignment as well. So we need to apply additional class. Let's call it right alignment. And we will use text alignment CSS property, text align, and we need to apply it to the project number 2. So for the whole project, we're going to apply here text align. Oh, sorry, it's right alignment. Right alignment. And I can see that my whole text within the column in the second project is aligned to right. What else is missing is we need to align to the right the fig caption for the project 1 and the project 3. So I'm looking for project 1 and the fig caption is here, so I'm adding class, the same right alignment. I'm copying it and looking for the project 3 and the fig caption here as well. So I'm adding class, saving it. I'm refreshing the website and I can see that the text is aligned. All right. So let's take care of the navigation and the final tweaks.